Yo, what's up, guys? I'm in Kuta today. Behind me is just the Kuta Square. Here is the market. I think it's a traditional market. And on the other side is the famous Ramayana in Kuta. And I'm gonna hit into this direction behind me, which is the Discovery Mall, many hotels and restaurants. That's one of your favorite areas in Kuta, many of you guys. So I'm also very excited to show you today because many things has changed. I hope so. A long time I didn't be in there, so stay tuned, guys. All right, that's how it looks, the corner. This restaurant still remains closed, and unfortunately in this area of Kuta I think everything still remains closed, totally closed. Unfortunately I was expecting something made changed and it's more alive here. Also many of you guys ask me to show you that area, especially this restaurant, these bars and stuff like this. However, unfortunately I think nothing has changed. Still everything around here it's closed. However, I'm gonna have a quick stroll into the Discovery Mall area direction and we will see how's the life. Maybe something has changed, what I don't know. Like here, for example, they're doing something. Maybe they're gonna open something new. Anyway, these big bars, seafood bars with crab, characteristic place. Everything remains closed, and also this one also closed. So yeah, that's how it looked like. Unfortunately, nothing has changed. Not yet, but maybe in the future. And I think this hotel on the top is Ramayana, right? You can confirm that. I never stay in Ramayana actually in Kuta. Well, so behind me is the characteristic Chinese restaurant, seafood Chinese restaurant with crab. Well, unfortunately, area looks deserted. Look at this crab over here, actually looks scary also, you know. That's how it looks like. And I'm just at the front of the Kuta Paradiso hotel, also quite famous place. I'm not sure if the hotel is open. The fountains are off, so I think it may be closed. However, no, it's open, and this is the current prices over there, 550 per night. Not so bad like for the 5-star hotel during the current situations conditions. One more shot of the hotel, Kuta Paradiso, and that's how it looks like. Here was some tourists, maybe some lady walking around, but anyway, all the restaurants here and everything still remains closed. Unfortunately, this area is still very quiet. Well, except the loud bikes. After that, it's still quiet. This is more likely a little bit memorial walk for many of you who are missing this part of Kuta, because whenever I make a vlog in Kuta last time, many of you asked me to show you that part of Kuta. So here we go, guys. Here is the Hotel Melasti Beach Bungalows. Quite old hotel, but even it's open, doesn't look much optimistic, and the restaurant what belongs to this hotel is closed, unfortunately. And here is Bella Italia. Obviously, almost every business here it's closed. Some Italian restaurant here closed, and there at the front is Baba Gump Shrimp Company. And here is something interesting. I'm not sure what is it. It seems like it's gonna be the parking lot or something like this. So we will see, but it's prepared like it's very nice something. Maybe parking lot, not sure. And people running here also, not so bad. Heading into the direction of the waterboom just at the front. Closed. This bar belongs to the sports bar, belongs to the Garden Kuta Beach. Damn loud bikes. Oh my god, what is that? The Hotel Grand Resort, Garden Resort seems closed. Here is the ATM lot. Many ATMs, always busy over here. And well, this is nice shot between the palm trees. Bali Garden Resort, beach resort, famous place. I'm pretty sure as it's quiet. Not sure if it's closed. Fountains doesn't work, so probably not so busy inside if it's open. There are even some ATMs are missing already. I mean, they are not missing, they are just simply the contract is finished. Okay, the hotel must be open because the car is coming here inside. So that, oh, positive, but I don't know if security is even here and the R bar. Bali water boom. It's open, guys. Everything around basically seems closed, but the water boom, it's open, and even there are some people driving around. Yo, what's up? Water boom open. Take care, yeah? Yeah. Water boom open, guys, and they are happy people welcoming you to come to the water boom in the near future. And yeah, after that the bamboo bar and grill closed. And I'm not sure about the Discovery Mall nowadays. Is it open? Is it closed? The stairs, they are not moving. There is not much people, not much security, not much anyone. The Sephora and Sojo, it's open. I think the mall is open, but inside of the mall there are almost no shops and no businesses, no shops, no restaurants open. There are only Starbucks. You need to scan up if you wanna enter to the mall. Don't forget about that, guys. And on the top, from the top, looks like this. Basically not that much is happening. The biggest surprise, positive surprise, is the water boom is open. That's really positive. After that, deadly quiet still, unfortunately. Even the Polo Ralph, it's closed. What I wear t-shirt today, not paid endorsement. However, what to endorse since the company is out of business. So yeah, pharmacy is open, always open. They never closed, and that's how it looks. I will go to the Discovery Hotel direction. We will see how's the life there. So the Discovery Mall from the far distance, there are some people sitting on the street trying to sell you the transport. So at least something like that. And here is special rate in Bali Rani Hotel. I'm not sure how much is it, but whatever, if you wanna know, you can call them and you will know probably. Anyway, that's how it looks. And the Discovery Kartika Plaza Hotel. Yeah, Discovery Hotel is open. I will quickly show you. I'm just gonna get into the gate. 1 second, I'm coming. They have a big gate, by the way. And as you see, the hotel entrance, it's open. And they have even some promo and security, everything like this. So it's really not so bad. At least big hotels are open, but after that in this area everything seems closed. It was the quick shot, informative vlog how it looks the area, this area of Kuta. And not much has changed. I was hoping it has changed a little bit more optimistic, but unfortunately not that much. Anyway, next time I will show you the other side of this part of Kuta, maybe on the beach side. Maybe I'm gonna go to Discovery more. Anyway, you never know what's gonna be tomorrow, but as always, thank you so much for watching and see you tomorrow. See ya, take care, guys.